The foresee is foreseeing. Alrighty, let's get started. So first things first, I've had these little cornrows in for like 4 months because I was wearing wigs. So I already did half of my head. The next part is taking down the braids on the other half. So I would take it down, straighten it, hot comb it, and then move on to the next part. Yo, I love it. My hair feels so healthy, y'all. But right now I don't have time to actually style it, so I'm gonna do a quick little 1-2, 1-2. My hair, I hadn't detangled my hair in like 4 months. I've been wearing wigs, so this is it. I don't recommend because your hair will get matted. But I'm gonna style my hair quick. I'm gonna use these little clip-ins that I usually use. If you see me with these, just know that I was lazy and did not want to do my hair. So first things first, I don't want to put any gel in my hair because I just technically washed it. Is to just really brush it down. Like brush it down. Like down, down, down. Without gel. I don't know how it's gonna look. Typically, adding gel just makes it lay down flatter, but I don't want to add any extra stuff when I just washed it. You know, I like to use gel when my hair is dirty. I like part it right here, kind of like in a circular motion. Just bring it a little circle. You see, it's like curved. I don't want it like straight down. Tie the rest of the hair back. Do a little bun. Oh my god. I'm gonna apologize to my hair in advance because I just need this to be laid. So the objective is to do just a quick little style. Okay, so I got some edge control that I'm gonna put right on the edges just because we're trying to be as sleek as, you know, as we can be. And I think this is something I can easily wash off tomorrow. I hope this doesn't flake. I'm going to scream if it does. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. This has to be the best edge control. I just took this from my sister's room to like rebrush my whole head. Make it tight. A twist thing. I think that's cute. That's cute. I'm gonna curl it inside. These little pieces are literally like my hair. I'm gonna place one right here. The foresee is foreseeing. I want it to be like super. I don't like this, but I'm like, I don't want it to curl forward. I want it to be on the side, like that. Okay, so let's spray this. I'm gonna hold it down. Oops, like spray.